Alright, the last little bit always deals with word problems. And honestly, this is pretty true to life. I used to do my mom's pool. It says this, and we're just writing an inequality about this. The recommended pH value, the acidic level of a swimming pool, is between 7.2 and 7.6. Inclusive. So everywhere in between here is all that means when you say the word inclusive. Let P be the pH value of a swimming pool. 7.2 is less than or equal to pH level, which is less than or equal to 6. And there it is, right? 7.2 is less than or equal to P, the pH level, which is less than or equal to 0.6. That is our compound inequality, and it's everything in between. And there's really only one more page, so here we go. All right, and we're almost done. Recommended free chlorine level for a swimming pool is between 0 and 3 parts per million inclusive. Let C be the chlorine level. All right. So we'll say C is less than or equal to the free chlorine level is less than or equal to. So, all right, let's give this a shot. 1 is less than or equal to C, which is less than or equal to 3, and I could write it like that. There's a lot of space, but that is okay. So I go to 1, I put a solid circle. I put a 3, I put a solid circle. And without getting into a lesson on managing a pool, we have some kind of simple explanations there. What does the phrase 7.2 and 7.6 inclusive means? All right. It means that all numbers between are allowed. All right. Your turn. And we're just going to do it together. We'll have some turns later. Recommended alkalinity level for a swimming pool. Wow, there's a lot going on, isn't there? I remember measuring all these and not understanding what they were when I was a kid. Between 80 and 120 parts per million. So I'm going to assume, oh, it says inclusive, so I'm going to include the, so I got 80 and 120 and everything in the middle. And it's this, 80 is less than or equal to, I don't know, we'll say A, which is less than or equal to 120. Explain the difference between graphing a compound inequality with and graphing compound inequality with or. And includes all overlapping numbers or graphs each separately. That's what we did, right? How can you tell a compound inequality involves and or by looking at its graph? I'm just going to do an example. And would be something that looks like this, right? Or would be something that looks like this, and that is okay to do. Explain how to find solutions for compound inequalities. Solve as if it is a regular equation, but use, what are those called? Properties of equality on each section. Remember we had 3 sections? Those first ones had 3 sections. We had to do it on all the sections. And honestly, we're done. I will see you guys soon.